Fish farming. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to know the following. 1. Define fish farming. 2. Define fishery. 3. Mention some importance of fish farming. 4. List some preservation of fish. 5. Know the basic laws and regulations of fishery. What is fish farming? Fish farming, known as pisciculture, is the commercial practice of raising selected fish species in controlled environments, such as ponds or lakes, where they live, feed, breed, and are harvested for human consumption, with common species including salmon, tilapia, catfish, and crab. What is fish fisher? Fishery is the scientific field that focuses on the study of fish and other aquatic animals, which reside in various water bodies, utilize gills for respiration, swim with the help of fins, and exhibit a cold-blooded nature by adjusting their body temperature based on environmental conditions. Importance of fish farming. The importance of fish farming includes 1. Food. Fish provides high-quality protein and essential nutrients for human consumption, and fish eggs like caviar are commonly eaten. 2. Leather. Certain fish skins, such as from sharks, can be processed into special leather called shagreen, along with crocodile and turtle skins. 3. Ornaments. Fish scales can be used to create artificial pearls, and oysters produce polished pearls for jewelry. 4. Soap and medicine. Oils from fish, whales, and turtles are used in the production of medicines and soap, with cod liver oil being a popular food supplement. 5. Animal feed. Unconsumed parts of fish are processed into fish meal for use in livestock feed. 6. Building. Shells of oysters and periwinkles can be mixed with cement for stronger and visually appealing walls. 7. Glue and fertilizer. Fish bones are utilized in the manufacture of glues and fertilizers. 8. Income. Fish farming provides an opportunity for generating income. Preservation of fish. Preservation methods for fish include 1. Salting curing. Application of salt to prevent spoilage. 2. Smoking. Drying fish over fire to reduce moisture and enhance flavor. 3. Canning. Storing processed fish in sealed cans under special conditions. 4. Sun drying. Drying fish using solar energy, common in northern Nigeria. 5. Freezing refrigeration. Storing fish in cold storage at low temperatures. 6. Conversion to feed meal. Drying and grinding fish parts into fish meal for livestock feed. 7. Roasting. Burning fish over fire briefly. 8. Icing. Placing ice blocks over harvested fish temporarily. 9. Steam cooking. Cooking harvested fish over hot steam. 10. Irradiation. Treating fish with non-harmful radiation to slow spoilage. Aims of preservation. The aims of preservation include 1. Preserve the quality and quantity of fish. 2. Extending the shelf life of food. 3. Creating various types of fish products. 4. Ensuring availability of fish throughout the year. 5. Preventing spoilage caused by microorganisms. Processing of fish. Processing fish involves transforming it from its original state to a preserved form by removing inedible parts, such as the gut, scales, gills, bones, and fins, and it results in products like fish meal, fish scales, cod liver oil, and fish skin. Fish harvesting. Fish harvesting is the process of collecting fish from a pond for consumption, preservation, or sale, and it can be done using various methods and techniques, such as netting, trapping, hooks and lines, ultrasonic devices, electrofishing, impaling, pots and gourds, screens or barriers, and fishing without equipment. Methods of fish harvesting. Fishing methods involve the use of different techniques or equipment used in harvesting fishes. 1. Netting. Netting is a fishing method that involves the use of nets, such as gill nets, clap nets, trawl nets, scoop nets, beach seines, drag nets, drifting or floating nets, and cast nets, which are woven to different sizes and thicknesses, and thrown into water to catch fish, by enclosing them within the mesh of the net. 2. Trapping involves setting traps made of ropes or raffia in various sizes along watercourses to capture fish, using materials like bamboo, canes, raffia, oil palm or coconut palm fronds, or wire and wire mesh. 3. Ultrasonic devices emit sound in the water to attract fish, which can later be harvested using methods like nets. 4. Electrofishing utilizes an electric field connected to the water to electrocute fish, suitable for complete harvesting of fish. 5. Impaling employs spears, harpoons, or sharp objects to attack and catch large fish, such as sharks. 6. Fishermen place clay pots and gourds in ponds and shallow lakes to catch fish when they enter them. 7. Screens or barriers made of bamboo, raffia, or oil palm fronds are used to enclose portions of shallow water, preventing fish from escaping when the water level decreases during low tide. 8. Some aquatic animals like periwinkles, oysters, and clams can be handpicked from mud and plants, without the need for fishing equipment. Basic laws and regulations of fishery in Nigeria. Fishery regulations encompass rules and laws that govern the exploitation and practices related to fishery resources, including 1. Catch quota involves permitting fishermen to catch a specific quantity of fish, or regulating the number of fishermen through permits or licenses. 2. Close season establishes a period during which fishing is not allowed to enable the growth and maturation of younger fish. 3. Mesh size regulation mandates the use of standardized nets or mesh sizes to ensure that only mature fish are caught, allowing younger ones to grow before harvesting. 4. Population control methods include cannibalism among fish species or early harvesting to prevent overpopulation. 5. Regular stocking involves introducing compatible fish species to increase the population in water bodies. 6. Prevention of vessels prohibits fishing within the first 2 nautical miles of the Nigerian continental shelf, except for canoes. 7. Prohibitive use of explosives completely bans the use of explosives, which can indiscriminately kill both young and mature fish. 8. Ban on the use of poisonous chemicals prohibits the use of substances like gamelin 20, as they are harmful to fish of all ages. 9. Landing tax applies a tax based on the total catch and sizes of fish at the landing site. 10. Allocation of fishing areas assigns specific fishing areas to individual fishermen to avoid interference with larger fishing areas.